In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable kill switch in NordVPN. Let's start with a quick overview. Kill switch is a safety feature that prevents your device from accessing the internet if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. That way, your real IP and data aren't exposed while the app reconnects. It's a simple switch, but it adds a powerful layer of privacy for streaming, browsing, or working on public Wi-Fi. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main dashboard. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure the app has finished any updates so the settings look as expected. Next, look for the gear icon to open the settings menu. On many devices, you'll find it in the top corner of the app. Tap or click it, and you'll be taken to the settings area where you can customize how NordVPN behaves. In the settings, find the kill switch section in the left panel. This is where NordVPN organizes features related to connection safety. Depending on your device, you might see it under security or a similar category, but you're looking specifically for the option labeled kill switch. Now, toggle the kill switch option to turn it on. The switch should clearly indicate when it's enabled. Activating this tells NordVPN to block internet traffic the moment your secure tunnel is interrupted, and only allow it again once the VPN reconnects. This is normal behavior, and it's what keeps your data from leaking in between connections. If a confirmation or permission prompt appears, go ahead and confirm it. Your device may ask for system permission to manage the connection or filter traffic. Approving this is necessary for kill switch to work correctly, and it's a standard part of setting up the feature. When that's done, return to the main screen. From here, connect to a server with kill switch active. You can choose Quick Connect for an automatic selection, or pick a country or specific server if you prefer. Once connected, you're protected, and if the VPN drops for any reason, your device will pause internet access until the secure connection is restored. That brief interruption is expected and is exactly what keeps your information private. And that's it. You've enabled kill switch in NordVPN, added a strong safeguard to your connection, and connected to a server with the feature active. If you ever need to change this behavior, you can come back to the same settings and toggle it off.